Google Fi Mobile Operator Full Review. Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Links to Google Fi and other related products are in the description. Now let's get straight to it. Google Fi is a mobile virtual network operator, MVNO, that offers coverage through T-Mobile's network, US cellular and Wi-Fi hotspots. Designed primarily for frequent travelers and users who need flexible, no-contract plans, it supports seamless network switching to ensure optimal signal strength. One of its standout features is its pay-as-you-go data pricing, where you only pay for the data you use, making it cost-effective for light data users. However, their Unlimited Plus plan offers high-speed data, international coverage in over 200 destinations, and a Google One subscription with 100 GB of cloud storage. Google Fi works best with designed-for-Fi phones like Google Pixel, which can take full advantage of its network switching technology. However, it is also compatible with most unlocked Android and iOS devices, albeit with limited network switching capabilities. Another strong aspect is its international roaming. Users can text and use data internationally at the same rate as in the US, making it an ideal option for travelers. Additionally, Google Fi provides free data-only SIM cards, allowing you to use your plan across multiple devices. Despite its strengths, Google Fi isn't perfect. One major downside is that it can be expensive for heavy data users compared to traditional carriers, especially if you exceed the flexible plan's 6 GB bill protection cap. Also, while coverage is generally good, it depends on T-Mobile's network in the US, which may not be as strong in rural areas. Customer support is another common complaint, as it primarily relies on online and chat-based assistance, which some users find less responsive than traditional phone support. Overall, Google Fi is best for travelers, remote workers, and those who value flexible, no-contract plans with strong international features. If you need a more affordable unlimited data plan or live in an area with weak T-Mobile coverage, you might want to look elsewhere. If Google Fi sounds like a fit for you, check the links in the description to learn more.